We'll guide you through how to record vocals in FL Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, open FL Studio and go to the top menu and just click on the options. From here, just choose the second option, which is audio settings. Now, inside the audio settings, the first thing that you need to do is make sure your correct input and output device is selected. So just click on the drop down and make sure your correct microphone is selected. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use FL Studio ASIO. This is very important because your input device is what captures your microphone and your output device is what plays the sound back to you. If your microphone is not selected correctly here, FL Studio will not record your voice. Now the next thing that you need to do is set your sample rate. Just click on the drop down for sample rate and select it to something like 44100. This is the standard setting for recording vocals and gives you a good balance between quality and performance. Now just look for buffer length and just click on Show ISO panel just like so. And from here, set the buffer length to around 1024. This is important because buffer length controls how your system handles audio processing. So basically, lower buffer rate means less delay but more CPU usage, and the higher buffer rate means more stable performance but slight more delay. Now for recording vocals, 1024 is safe and stable choice. Now in the ASIO panel, just click on the input drop down and make sure your microphone is selected just like so. And after that, you can just go ahead and close this window. Now everything is set correctly. Input device, output device, sample rate and buffer length. Now you can close the audio settings window by just clicking on the cross icon. Now just go to the channel rack and from here you will see a little plus icon. Just click on the plus icon to add a new track and click on add audio track just like that. And now you will see you will get three options. Now just click on the audio input source just like so and you will see these options. Now choose your microphone input. If your mic is plugged into input 1, select in 1, and if it is selected to in 2, just select in 2. So this tells FL Studio exactly which microphone signal to record from. Now if you are unsure about which one to pick, you can just test both. Whichever shows the signal movement when you speak is the correct one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the in 1 just like so and click on yes. And now you will see this bar will appear, which basically means that the microphone is picking up my sound. And now at the top, you will see a small record icon. So just click on the record and from here just select the second option, which is audio into the playlist as an audio clip just like so. And now once that it has done, you will see now our voice is successfully being recorded in real time. Now you will see wave from being created in real time inside the playlist. And once that you are done recording, just press the record button once again and it will be stopped and it will start to play back your audio. And as for me, I have disabled my device audio, so you will not be able to hear the recording. But after that, you can just go ahead and hit spacebar on the keyboard to preview your sound. And that's it.